Web scraping is more than just collecting data. It's about using that data to make smarter decisions. Let's look at how it is applied in business and public policy. So, the basic two areas that find web scraping's application is business and commercial uses, and the second is research and public policy. So, talking about business and commercial uses, businesses use scraping to monitor competitor prices in real time. This helps them stay competitive and respond quickly to market changes. With scrape data, companies can adjust their prices automatically, boosting revenue and improving conversion rates. Scraping builds price history datasets. These reveal trends, seasonal patterns, and the best times to adjust pricing. Scrapers can trigger alerts when prices drop or spike, helping teams make smart buying or repricing decisions and fast. Web scraping also plays a big role in lead generation, helping businesses find and manage potential customers more effectively. In CRM integration pipelines, scraped leads can be cleaned and pushed directly into CRM systems, keeping records updated and avoiding duplicates. Emails, phone numbers, and LinkedIn profiles can be scraped for direct outreach and follow up. Company details like size, industry, revenue, and location can be scraped to better target and segment leads. Scraping search behavior and content consumption helps identify prospects who are ready to buy. By combining these steps, web scraping turns scattered online data into structured, actionable leads for sales and marketing teams. Now, coming to the research and public policy area. Researchers scrape online data to study behavior, misinformation, or economic activity, turning raw information into valuable insights. Governments and watchdogs use scraping to monitor housing prices, public services, or digital platforms for accountability. NGOs and activists scrape data on jobs, healthcare, or pollution to drive changes and support communities. Government transparency also is affected with scraping. So, scraping budgets and contracts exposes how money is spent and holds official accountable. Aggregating tender data highlights favoritism or irregularities in government deals. Scraping donor and spending disclosure uncovers hidden funding and influence networks. Combining legislative votes and attendance make government actions more transparent to citizens.